Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about e-commerce systems. For most companies today, electronic commerce is more than just buying and selling products online. Instead, it encompasses the entire online process of developing, marketing, selling, delivering, servicing, and paying for products and services transacted on internetwork global marketplace of customers with the support of a worldwide network of business partners. The advantages of e-commerce allows a business of any virtual size that is located virtually anywhere on the planet to conduct business with just about anyone anywhere. The power of e-commerce allows geophysical barriers to disappear, making all consumers and businesses on earth potential customers and suppliers. In order to accomplish the e-commerce activities, the following are the technologies which needs to be interrelated. The hardware, that is computers, handheld devices, database server, application server, and so forth. The software, that is web browser, apps, payment processing softwares, etc. The data information regarding customer and products, the network components, and lastly the internet technology. This image shows the scope of e-commerce. There are ranges of business processes involved in the marketing, buying, selling, and servicing of products and services in companies that engage in e-commerce. Companies involved in e-commerce as either buyers or sellers rely on internet-based technology and e-commerce applications and services to accomplish marketing, discovery, transaction processing, and product and customer service processes. These are the categories of e-commerce. Firstly, business to consumer, B2C. In this form, e-commerce businesses must develop attractive electronic marketplace to sell products and services to consumers. Consumer to consumer, C2C. In this form, e-commerce individuals are both at seller and buyer side and uses common platform to do the commerce. Business to business, B2B. In this form, businesses are both at the seller and buyer side. Alibaba.com is a good example for that. Business to government. In this form of e-commerce, businesses are selling specialized product and services to the government. The B2B marketplace can be divided into these parts. One to many, that is sell side marketplaces. It hosts one major supplier who dictates product catalog offering and prices and so forth. Then there is many to one, then some to many, then many to some, or lastly many to many. These are the essential of e-commerce processes. There are access control and security, profiling and personalizing, search management, content management, catalog management, workflow management, payment, event notification, and lastly collaboration and trading. Access control and security. E-commerce processes must establish mutual trust and secure access between the parties in an e-commerce transaction by authenticating users, authorizing access, and enforcing security features. Profiling and personalizing. Once you have gained access to an e-commerce site, profiling processes can occur that gather data on you and your website behavior and choices, as well as build electronic profiles of your characteristics and preferences. Search management. Efficient and effective search processes provide a top e-commerce website capability that helps customers find the specific product or service they want to evaluate or buy. Content management. Content management software helps e-commerce companies develop, generate, deliver, update, and archive the text data and multimedia information at e-commerce websites. Catalog management. E-commerce content frequently takes the form of multimedia catalogs of product information. As such, generating and managing catalog content is a major subset of content management. Payment. Payment for the products and services purchased is an obvious and vital set of processes in the e-commerce transactions. Workflow management. Many of the business processes in e-commerce applications can be managed and partially automated with the help of workflow management software. E-business workflow systems for enterprise collaboration, helping employees electronically collaborate to accomplish structured work tasks within knowledge-based business processes. Event notifications. Most e-commerce applications are event-driven systems that respond to a multitude of events. From a new customer's first website access to payment and delivery processes to innumerable customer relationship and supply chain management activities. Collaboration and trading. This major category of e-commerce processes consists of those that support the vital collaboration arrangement and trading services needed by customers, suppliers, and other stakeholders to accomplish e-commerce transactions. This image shows the electronic payment processes. Firstly, the buyer places the order, then merchant securely transfers order information to PSM company over the internet. PSM receives the order information and performs requested services. Then PSM formats the transaction detail appropriately and securely routes the transaction authorization request through its payment gateway to the processor. After that, the transaction is then routed to the issuing bank, the bank of the buyer. The transaction then is authorized or declined by the issuing bank or card. Then the PSM returns the message to the merchant. The issuing bank approves transfer or money to acquiring bank. Lastly, the acquiring bank credits the merchant account. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.